Are you ready to say goodbye to your Microsoft account? Let's explore the steps to delete it permanently. First, back up your important data, files, and emails you don't want to lose. This is crucial. Next, visit the Microsoft account deletion page. You'll need to sign in to start the process. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your subscriptions. Review them carefully. Now, follow the prompts to confirm your identity. This usually involves a security code sent to your email. Finally, confirm the deletion. Your account will remain active for 60 days, just in case you change your mind. Deleting your Microsoft account might feel daunting, but it's simpler than you think. Stay aware of your digital footprint. Regularly review accounts you no longer use. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips. Your digital journey should feel right for you. Take charge of your online presence today. Remember, it's okay to move on from old accounts. Your privacy matters. Thanks for watching. Wishing you a more streamlined digital life ahead.